Hello everyone, myself Hitesh Birud and today's date 7th December 2022. Today we will discuss about the conditional statement in Java. So as we know, Java which is support the usually logical statement from mathematics. They are first one less than, then less than or equals to, then greater than, fourth one is greater than or equals to, then fifth one is equals to, and last is not equals to. We can use those logical statement to perform some decision making uh, decision making action for a different situation or a different decision. The decision making in Java, which is helps to write a decision drive statement to execute the set of code or a block of code on a certain condition. Uh, in Java, there are four types of statement. First is if statement, then second is else statement, then third one is else if statement, and fourth one is switch statement. So let's discuss one by one in short. First one is if statement. In Java, if statement, which must a simple decision making statement. It is used to decide the whether the certain condition which is true or false. Uh, it execute if certain condition is true, it execute the block of statement, otherwise not. Second one is else statement. The else statement which is used to specify the block of code which is execute when the given if condition which false. And third one is else if statement. The else if statement which is used to specify the new condition or a block of statement will execute when the uh, uh, first if statement which is false. We can use more than one else if statement in the code. And last one is a switch statement. The switch statement which is used to specify the many alternative block of code to be executed. Then we will discuss the working of else if statement. The working of else if statement, first it control fall into the if statement or a block of code. Then second one, it falls to the jump to the condition. Then third one is the condition will be tested. In this testing, first the it tests if the given condition which is true. If the given condition is true, it execute the if statement. And otherwise, the given condition which may false, it execute the else statement. The condition after evaluation of else statement will be either true or false. If the if statement in Java which accept the boolean value, and if the given value which is true, then it will execute the block of statement under it, otherwise it execute the else statement. That's the all about conditional statement in Java. Thank you.